Hi everyone, this screencast is an opportunity for us to look back at what we did in last week's session when we discussed a quick way of multiplying by 10 and 100. I'm just going to talk through the examples that we looked at. We started off by talking about how if we've got 5p and multiply 5p by 10 we get 50p, and one way of understanding that multiplication process is to see figures moving one place to the left. Now if we start with 50 pence and we multiply that by 10 to end up with £5, again we could see that multiplication process as being a movement of figures one place to the left. So the little summary of that we came up with was, as you can see in the panel below, to multiply by 10, move the figures one place to the left. Now let's have a quick look at one or two other examples. We've got 14 pence here, so if we multiply that by 10 we'll see the figures move one place to the left, and you see how useful it is to add a naught in this position here, which helps us understand that amount as being £1.40, not just £1 and 4 pence, but £1 and 40 pence. Now let's have a look at a couple of others. We've got 25p in this case, so if we multiply that by 10 we will end up with the figures moving one place to the left, and again you see how important it is to put a naught in the pence column there, so we end up with £2.50. Just one more example. We're starting with £1.34, so if we multiply that by 10 the figures move one place to the left and we end up with £13.40. So again that simple process is summed up in this panel here. To multiply by 10, move the figures one place to the left. Now some of you actually managed to move on to multiplying by 100, and we'll just see that that involves the same kind of process. If we start off with £1.25, if we multiply by 100 we don't just move the figures one place to the left, we move them two places to the left, so that we end up with £125. So a little summary of that is shown in the panel below. To multiply by 100, move the figures two places to the left. Hope that's been useful.